आमच्या वांगडा आसा Pierre Gills, internationally best cinematographer. So, sir, we would like to know about your profession.
Yes, well, I'm a cinematographer, so I'm in charge of lighting images, doing the camera work, working with directors to create a story, to work with all the departments to make sure all the image that the audience will see comes together and tells the story properly.
Okay, what is the most difficult task in your profession like? For you.
The schedules. They're very long days. That's hard. Apart from that, it's just a lot of fun. It's also the most difficult. It's the stress because we have the cinematographer. We have a lot to do all day non-stop, and since we're in charge of the image, it's after everybody's waiting for us. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? So it's a lot. This is the most difficult when you work. Apart from that, it's everything else is fun because it's discussion, creation, creativity. Um, that's it, I think.
What is the difference between a director and a cinematographer?
A director.
Film director and a cinematographer.
Yeah. The difference of a director and film cinematographer is that the director is really the one who's gonna uh, do his movie, try to have a script, write a script or have a script, take care of all the actors, the acting during the movie, and also what kind of film they want to do, and then they translate it through us. And like I say, it depends. Sometimes some director are very visual, but sometimes it's us who's gonna l- listen to what they feel they want to do, and try to take their vision and put it into reality in the camera with the light and the mood.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving us your interview.
It's a pleasure.